In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore an inactive or deleted account in QuickBooks, a task that can be crucial for maintaining clean and accurate financial records. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to head over to the QuickBooks website and log into your account. This is your hub for managing financial data, and you'll usually find a welcoming dashboard awaiting you after logging in. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen and locate the menu section. Here, you should see an option labeled Transactions. Click on that. This section is where you manage your bank and credit card transactions. But today, we're interested in looking beyond that at your chart of accounts. Next, you want to find the chart of accounts within the Transactions tab. This is essentially a complete listing of every account in your accounting system. Once you click here, you'll see a comprehensive list detailing all of your accounts. Imagine this as a financial snapshot representing assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Keep in mind, this is where any inactive accounts are also stored, allowing you to view and manage them. The next step involves a tiny but mighty icon known as the gear icon. This is generally located at the top right corner of your chart of accounts screen. Once you click on the gear icon, you'll be presented with more options to fine-tune your view. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Include in Active. Click on this option. What this does is expand your list to show all accounts, including those that have been previously deleted or rendered inactive. Once you activate this filter, your screen should now display both active and inactive accounts. Now, scroll through until you locate the specific account you're interested in reviving. Once you find that account, click on it. Now you should see a button labeled Make Active situated towards the right side of the screen. Go ahead and click on that button. This action will essentially reactivate your account, bringing it back to life in your QuickBooks system. It's a great feature for simply undoing those moments when an account has been prematurely or mistakenly inactivated. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added or restored an inactive or deleted account back into your records. This not only refreshes your financial overview, but ensures you have all the data points needed for accurate accounting. Restoring accounts can be vital for continuity and comprehensive bookkeeping. Congratulations on mastering another QuickBooks feature. Remember that keeping your chart of accounts updated and reflective of your actual financial scenario is important for effective financial management. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tutorials to help manage your books with ease.